Hi guys, thanks for joining us again for another episode of Kickstart Conversation. Today we have yet another very experienced and tenure rider who has been riding in and around Pune for a very long time and also across the country for a very long time. He is very well recognized in the riding community and he spans his experience of riding owing to his love and passion for anything that moves on two wheels or more. As a result of that, he has a variety of riding experience across motorcycles, along with a lot of scooters. He's done a lot of restoration work on old scooters, as well as his passion spans and expands over into cars and four wheelers. So, keeping all that in mind, he has been a very involved participant in a lot of events related to Royal Enfields for vintage scooters, restorations, and other events that keep on happening across the country to promote the biking and driving culture. Introducing you all to Mr. Baljit Singh Kocher today. Hi, Baljit. Thanks for joining us today. Thanks for taking the time out. It was a pleasure. So, like with all riders, I would like to start with your beginning. Like, if you can take us right back to your initial starting days, what made you inclined towards biking? What made you start? What made you look at bikes as something which pulled you towards them? How did it begin?
If you're talking about the wheels and the tires and all what you just said, anything which is moving on a tire, I started from a very, very old time, under 10 years, I was the district champion in roller skating.
Okay.
So these roller skating were on your shoes, you wear that, and
Inline skates.
not inline.
Four
It
skates.
was not
Okay.
an inline.
Uh-huh.
They came with a fiber wheeled
Right.
roller skating, which were again very beautiful at the time. So
वो जो लंबे वाले आते हैं, राइट? दो व्हील्स आगे दो पीछे, and there's a central
yes, yes,
aluminum
right.
rod in between, and you can adjust
Not
it.
aluminum, it was a steel rod.
Steel rod, okay.
And that's basically the main branch, the main chassis, you can say, was a steel. And everything else was aluminum
Right.
to keep the weight slightly lighter.
उसकी को की भी आती थी ना, से एडजस्ट करने के लिए, एलन की टाइप की.
Everything. Yeah. In those days, probably the roller skater, first Allen key was introduced in
रोलर स्केटिंग.
that time.
Okay.
Probably it was 84, 85
Uh-huh.
there. And there, basically, as I grew up, the interest started with racing and how could I race. So initially in the school, I used to slow race. But before that, when I was 6 years old, that time Mandapwala came, Mandap, who
Sure.
put that, he came with a Luna.
Okay.
And after my school tuitions, I just came home. I kept my bag and I saw this Luna parked outside my house. I just thought of giving it a try.
Right.
It was very close to a cycle
Uh-huh.
in a moped,
Right.
a motor with a pedal.
Huh.
The motor was something new at that time, but the pedals were there.
There.
And pedals were common on a cycle.
On a cycle. Huh.
Which I had. So I pedaled that, and it had so many levers. Two were the brakes, and one was a compressor, something to start, a clutch, or you can say. So I pedaled, I took it. I could not sit on the seat. I was just pedaling and standing and pedaling, and I pressed one of the lever, and the scooter started.
Started, huh?
The scooter started, and I just climbed up over the chassis, and I sat on the seat.
Huh.
And I was riding it round in my society. My grandfather was a very strict
Person.
person,
Huh.
but he stood there.
Huh.
You know, I thought that he will scold me, but no, he stood there very nicely. He was standing and he was looking at me riding that Luna.
Luna. Huh.
He was feeling very happy and very proud of. The Mandapala came, whose Luna was it.
Huh.
He was also standing and I am taking rounds nicely. After 3-4 rounds, I stopped the bike and I told that uncle sorry. But he didn't actually. He reacted very nice and positive with that.
You were expecting a scolding, but you got encouragement.
A different thing. And my grandfather also came to me. अच्छा है लेकिन थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. ये छोटे बच्चों की चलाने वाली चीज नहीं है. So then they, but initially he only gave me a green signal that get him something. And you won't believe, we had a car, Maruti 800. But my grandfather used to ride a cycle only
Acha.
to the sweet shop, which is a kilometer away. He used to every day go to the shop and come back on the cycle.
In cycle itself.
So he was a very healthy man. The body wise, my family is very healthy,
Right.
but they go down with the dementia.
No, that happen. That can happen to the best of us. But basically, then you can say that the love and passion for two wheels and more runs in your family, because अगर दादाजी भी अगर साइकिल से ही
That's what I'm saying. Family, no. They were cycles, but nobody was so much this thing. And